Hi, welcome back to my channel. I recently restored a Bell & Howell computer. Here it is. And then my friend, who's gonna get it, asked me that if I can get him a drive for it, the drive that goes with it. So I went online and looked around, and they're so expensive and they're so scarce, and the ones that are there are so damaged that I thought, you know what, I can convert one. So I reached out to the community and I got this one. So we're gonna convert this drive into a Bell & Howell drive. Let's do this. Okay, first things we're gonna do is we're gonna check it. It's in great shape, and I'm gonna take out the feet. So it's kind of easy, but I want to take out these now, these labels, and reapply them later. Look, this is a little bit out on the corner, but if I try more, it doesn't go out. So I'm gonna be using a heat gun to make it soft. I think it's gonna take a while to do this, so just so that you know that I'm gonna be doing that. And finally, here it is. All the stickers are out, and I'm gonna put it on the side, and I'm gonna just assemble these as a normal drive. No big deal. Got it. So this is what we're gonna paint. So I'm gonna go and wash it. Put some. I'm gonna scrape it all, sand it, and then I'm gonna paint it. And then we're gonna do the front. Okay, for the front, I took out the 4 screws, and then I'm gonna pull it out. And be careful here, because the problem that the thing that is keeping it here is actually the LED. So I gotta find a way to take out the LED without breaking it. And just quickly to take it out, you gotta take out this little round thing, pull it out, and then this will allow these tabs to open and let the LED go out. So now that it's out, we're gonna just take out this disc too and change it. Now that we have the cover separated, I started already. I just looked for which edge is easier to start with, and this little edge I can insert this easier over here. So I'm gonna try to do it like that. If not, if it's hard enough, I'm just gonna have to use a little heat. It looks like I'm gonna be able to do it without heat. Yeah, it's getting in. Nice and easy and slow. Yeah, there it is, you see it. Eventually we'll get in. I'm gonna go around that circle where the LED is. Just get in, nice and easy. What I'm doing is basically breaking the glue that it's in the back. Look, I'm going through. Just going through it. Flat. Oh, look, I'm on top of it. So it came out already, that. And I'm not bending it, so I'm keeping it pretty well. Just be careful there, slow, rush it. My taping, yeah. So careful because I was about to get it, yeah. Slow a little bit. Oh, it's coming out faster sometimes. Careful there. Easy. See, as you can see, it's breaking through the glue. It's all glue, so that's why there's no problem. And look what's gonna happen. Boom, it's out. And it's straight and no issues. So beautiful. And it's clean. So, oh, careful there, because it still has some glue. So let's get it ready. This step is the best. So we got the original one. It looks like there's a little indentation there. Well, barely you can barely see it. So, and now look what I got here. It's a Van Howell from Mac Effects, and they produce these ones. So as you can see, there's like a little thin layer on top of it. I'm not gonna take it out until the end, or maybe I'll leave it over there and just let Jose Luis take it out. But this goes over here, so it's easy. Just measure it. Let's put it in. Check it out. It's already clean, so I don't have to clean anything. Make sure that it gets through this hole and everything else falls in place. So I got my front already. And I'm not gonna take this thin layer out. I'm gonna let Jose Luis take it out because it's his, and he's gonna be very happy with it. Look at that, beautiful, perfect condition. Great. Now for the painting. And we're back. Here's the result after the painting. It looks beautiful. This is the back. This is the front. And I already applied a clear cover, so it will protect it. I put extra underneath, so it doesn't give me any, it protects it a little bit more. So it is beautiful. Let's put it together. I actually am going to use this tape that it's a lot better than the one that I normally use. And we're not going to use this. We're going to use brand new, because this is a brand new piece of equipment. We're going to see how this goes. This goes that way. And this should be on top. I'm gonna create this one for him. This is I just need to put this on the back, and I'll do it in a minute. Now, because I wanted to look just like the original, I am going to make my own labels for under the Bell & Howell logo. So I just printed some. I mean, I could make the corners, but I got the tool, so. And again, this is not a big deal. It's just to make it look nice. And this is because my wife has a lot of things to do, scrapbooking, so I gotta take advantage of it. So underneath here, we got this, just like this. This and this. Oh, they should go the other way, so this should go like this. This should go. And you see I messed up over here. Hopefully Jose Luis won't care too much, but you know, I feel bad. Oh, it's a little bit smaller. Doesn't matter, it's just little things. So oh, has to go straight. For the back part, for the back label, because I took it out, as you can see, it's over here. It goes like this. I had to put this E6000. It smells. And there it is, guys. The beautiful Bell & Howell with the drive, matching drive, also Bell & Howell. Courtesy of Mac Effects. And I think it looks a lot better than it came. It has a matching drive, and I hope he is going to be very happy with it. Okay, so I hope you like it, guys. Let me know in your comments what do you think. Share, like, subscribe, and if you can, support me on Patreon. Well, see you next time.